If all I have is a car, am I going to need to go through probate? Do cars go through probate? Probate is the administrative court proceeding where if I die, my stuff gets divided up. My name is Philip Bruce. I'm an estate planning attorney, and yes, cars are subject to probate. Vehicles are subject to probate. Money, houses, all these things are subject to probate. The way you avoid probate is you try to get these things that would otherwise go through it. You want them to be owned or to transfer in a way that doesn't need the probate court. So with real estate, we're probably going to do a revocable trust. What that is, it's a family entity. We put our stuff in the family entity. It's controlled by a family agreement. Family agreements private agreements like contracts, trust agreements, leases, all those things. You don't need a judge. You can just do it. So if we can get that house in the revocable trust, for example, we don't have to go through probate. You can do the same thing with your car. You can get your car into the revocable trust, and now it's governed by the private agreement. Doesn't need a judge, skips probate. But not every estate needs to go that far. You have some leeway. And the leeway is $75,000 or less. If you have $75,000, this is all subject to change. This is the dollar amount it is as I'm recording this. But if you have $75,000 or fewer, then we can collect that estate and distribute it according to the backup rules, the intestacy statutes, using what's called an affidavit of collection. So if I have a $20,000 car, and I have a $10,000 bank account, and I just forgot to put a beneficiary designation on that bank account, well, $20,000, $10,000, we're at $30,000. So in that case, my heirs can file an affidavit of collection with the DMV or the DVS, and they can say, okay, it's ours now, we can transfer it without probate. It's an affidavit. They got to swear that there aren't other assets out there that add up to more than 75, but as long as take them all, add them up, the gross value, 75,000 and under, we don't need probate. Now, of course, those things are going to transfer according to the backup rules. They're not going to transfer according to your will or your revocable trust. They're going to transfer subject to the backup rules. The backup rules, you want to make sure you understand those. They usually go to spouse, to kids. If there are children from a previous relationship, that gets really strange. You want to be very careful about that. But at any rate, you'd avoid the probate process if the total value is under 75. If it's more than that, or if you have specific wishes for where these things go, there's other tools you want to use. Philip Bruce at Stoner's Law Office. Any questions about this or anything else, shoot me an email.